For years, I sabotaged my business success by not having a website. For even more years, I operated with a website that I was embarrassed to show, and not to mention, I only used sales funnels to generate income, which was a dangerous move. Today's video is how I patched up the leaky revenue holes by finally redesigning my business website to be positioned to make multiple 7 and 8 figures and supercharge sales. The best part about it is that you'll be able to clone exactly what I did just within a couple of hours of work. Since this is such an important topic for your business, I had one of my really good friends and website automation and income generating ninja, Pat Ness, to come along on this video.
Hey guys!
And walk us through this whole process. In today's video, we're going to help you pinpoint what hasn't worked for your website and show you the exact framework on how you can set your business website up to generate 7 and 8 figures and automate the majority of it. So definitely stay tuned until later in this video where I'm going to reveal to you my brand new website. And if you're excited to learn how your website could be automated to 7 and 8 figures, go ahead and type in automate in the comments below and let's get jumping. Okay, so as we dive in, I just wanted to clarify a couple of things. And that is that you need 3 things for a website. The first thing is a domain. Okay, so www.businessname.com. The second thing that you need is hosting, or a website host to actually host the website online. This is going to be where the server is, and think of it as like the online internet home of your business. And the third thing you'll need is a website builder. So it's pretty self-explanatory in the name. It'll have editing tools that you can actually build the pages, the content, and all the images and everything in your website. In today's video, we're going to be specifically talking about WordPress, okay, and why WordPress is the king, the god of all website builders, okay? So WordPress is a content management system that allows you to host and build websites. The great thing about it is that it contains plugin architecture, and I'll explain what plugins are in depth in a second. And it also has a template system so you can customize any website to fit your business, blog, portfolio, or online store. Some website builders have hosting built into their platform already, which in my opinion makes it much more limited. And this is exactly why I switched from Squarespace to using WordPress, because with WordPress you have absolutely no limit to what you can design it to do. So here's a quick agenda for today's video. I'm going to explain what the Master Automation Hub in regards to WordPress means. I'm going to explain why WordPress is so important for your business. I'm going to break down my website and what was wrong with it in the past. I'm going to show you some of the results of my personal website audit to my old site according to the expert Pat. I'm going to show you how exactly we mapped out the framework of my website. Then I'll show you how you can leverage the Master Automation Hub to build out your own website. Then I will do a grand website reveal, and at the very end, the expert himself in Website Ninja Pat is going to show you a live demo of a website that's currently making 8 figures this year. So first off, why is WordPress so important for your business website? There's so many reasons, and because of these reasons, this is exactly why I switched from Squarespace to WordPress a few years ago. But just to break it down, Pat himself came up with this concept and framework called the Master Automation Hub. And by the way, the Master Automation Hub is your website. Okay, this is what he's referring to. And the reason why it's called Master Automation Hub is because you can have everything there. It's literally your one-stop shop to share your brand information, collect data to your users, build sales funnels, sell online courses, have an online store, do e-commerce, sell digital downloads, automate all of this with email marketing, tags, like everything you have right now. Perhaps you have an email marketing builder, you have a sales funnel builder, and all these things. You can host all of these in one place on WordPress. Like even you can host a membership. This is why he named it the Master Automation Hub, because a WordPress website is all inclusive and it has no limits to what you can build. In my stomach, I'm like getting winded because I'm so excited about the power of WordPress and what it can mean for you and your business. And one of the greatest things about WordPress is it has these things called plugins. Now, I personally heard plugins forever in my career, and I really never knew what they were. And so think of a plugin as an add-on feature that you want. So you have the base framework of the WordPress site, but you can get a plugin that does an additional feature for you. Let me show you a couple examples. There's a plugin called AI Engine, which helps you create new blog content. It works as a chat bot and also SEO suggestions. There's a plugin called Rank Math, which optimizes your website for you based on 30 different factors. You can get SEO suggestions as you write, which is really cool. Elementor, which I personally use on my website. It's a page building plugin. There's no code. It's all drag and drop. You can plug in anything you want. And this is how you build out the content on your website. And this was used to build my new website, and it's freaking gorgeous, okay? Fluent CRM. You business owners are going to love this. Fluent CRM will literally take the place of your CRM. So any of your email marketing platforms, whether you're using ActiveCampaign or something like that, this is what will take the place of it. And the best part is the pricing of this is anywhere between $77 to $129 per year. That's insane. For a full email marketing automated plugin that you can put on your WordPress, that is crazy. And just keep in mind, you'll be saving tens of thousands of dollars over the lifespan of your business, and especially over the next 5 years. Fluent Forms is another plugin which allows you to create forms so that you can have a form to collect names and emails on your funnels. Fluent Forms is $47 per year, starting around that price. Cartflow is a WordPress plugin that is for sales funnels. So this is how you have sales funnels built into your WordPress site, starting at anywhere from $64 to $124 per year. And LearnDash. So LearnDash is a learning management system. This is where you can host your courses, your memberships, where you can also build community and engage with your customers and your students and clients. LearnDash comes in at $119 per year. And here's the thing, as you can see, as a business owner, even if you add up all of the higher tier prices of all of these different plugins, so like $129 plus $47 plus $124 plus $119, that's less than $500 per year for everything. And just to put some context into perspective, and the reason why I want to switch everything eventually to WordPress, for Kartra alone, I'm paying $320 per month, okay? Per month. That is crazy. And I think Kartra is a great tool. However, it's not that great of a tool to where I'm going to keep it and not save a ton of money with just having it all hosted on my MarissaRomero.com website. So the cost savings alone and all the features that you can have in this master automation hub is extremely exciting and so powerful and cost beneficial to your business. And so let's talk about a couple of the major red flags that was wrong with my old website that was originally built on Squarespace, but then it was converted to WordPress, and there were still a few things wrong with it, including the fact that it wasn't designed responsively, meaning it didn't look good on a really big screen or a smaller type of screen or a more awkward size dimension screen. The other thing was it loaded very slow. I think it took like up to 6 seconds to load when it should be under 1 second. The server it was on was slow and insecure. The terms, the website pages, like the terms of service and privacy policy, had to be on a completely different page. The images and file sizes were huge, right? There were just lots of megabytes and gigabytes, and they were making the website load very, very slow. There was no pixel collecting data for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads and whatever type of ads I was trying to run, which is super important for scaling your business in the future. Tablet and mobile versions were not responding correctly, and also there is a lot of missing SEO data, which I'm a YouTuber. I know that SEO is of most importance, and that was missing. So it definitely needed a rebuild. So here's a sneak peek of our website build day and Pat giving me direct advice on my website audit and the things that were wrong with it.
All right, so looking at your current site, some recommendations I have, definitely we're missing some pages that I think a lot of people might want some information on, like, the blog, maybe some testimonials, some case studies. We got to make sure, of course, you got your freeware license, earnings disclaimer, terms, privacy. We're going to add a DMCA and a couple more affiliate disclosures there for you. And then we're going to just generally clean up kind of the design, make it a little more clean, make sure it's nice and mobile responsive. Because this site is great, it's fun. I love the colors, but as you can see, mobile responsively, if someone's on a big wide screen, it's not really built, to be as responsive as it should be. And
so essentially what I learned from all of this was that I did not have a website to support my biggest, grandest vision, which is to create 8 figures with the subscribers to sales brand. I was definitely self-sabotaging my own business success, and I was way too reliant on sales funnels. I have several videos talking about how you need to start with sales funnels first, which in the very beginning, yes, that's very true. Sales funnels are what's going to make the money. However, a website is as equally important if you're wanting to scale into these big numbers. And the other thing was, it was put together a lot by custom code, which was not smart, because now that I have the Elementor plugin, I know exactly how to drag and drop things, and I can do a lot of the heavy lifting myself. I can go in on the back end, and it's so much more simple to edit, fix fonts, add different elements, etc. And the other big no and red flag about my old website was that there was no clear message on who we were trying to attract. It was like speaking to one audience and also the other, and it was just kind of a big jumbled mess as far as the copywriting. And so with this one, we took extra special care and time to make sure that the messaging was on point and it speaks directly to who we're trying to attract. All right, so mapping out the framework of a website. This is really important as you dive into doing exactly what it sounds, mapping out how your website is going to look. What we specifically did was, since my business is still hosted on Kartra, meaning the sales funnels and the email marketing, we took a look at the funnels that I have now on Kartra, which is my subscribers to sales blueprint, which is my lead magnet freebie / giveaway. We have a masterclass funnel that we also offer. And then we have a book a strategy call. So those 3 touch points are the main things that I wanted to show on my website in several different places. So I wanted to make sure that when we mapped it out, we knew that MarissaRomero.com / blueprint was going to go to the blueprint, right? So the lead magnet. MarissaRomero.com / masterclass goes to our free masterclass, okay? And then obviously book a call. There's a button directly to book a call and to opt in to book a call with myself or my team. That is also hosted on a Kartra page. So it's really easy to, if you're still on like a ClickFunnels, Kartra, Kajabi, etc., it's really easy to connect the two and integrate them in WordPress and have those funnel pages mapped out so that they still connect to the funnels that are on another online business tool and have it all be seamless. Now, the pages that are native to my website are like the home page, about, video, the results, the toolkit, etc., the contact us. So those are all brand new pages on the actual WordPress site that were built with the Elementor plugin. So now I wanted to go over this done for you WordPress website template. Woo! All right, this is a website template that makes your website automatically look like it was a $25,000 build. Okay, it is that sharp, and it's designed for high conversion and for you to make sales. So one of the great things about it is that the homepage is designed to get to the point, right? So people are clear in what you do in 3 to 5 seconds. All right, you have a hero section, which is clear and concise. The headline communicates what you do. You'll see that the text boxes and copy where you place the actual words on the website is set up to be casual, friendly, and conversational, which is like the real way you most likely actually talk. It also has a reviews and testimonial page, definitely essential to your business website so people can see the proof of what it is you actually do. If you like, and if you have some low to mid ticket prices in your product suite, you can show the actual pricing on your website with this template. Here's the best part, is this template could be edited very quickly. It can be live and up and running within just 24 hours. You can change the theme and the look and feel super easily. This is what we did with my website, MarissaRomero.com. What we did was we went to Envato Elements, we downloaded a theme from Envato Elements that I love and just plugged it into this done for you website template. And so I have a super special offer for you today. If you sign up for Automate WebP, which is Pat's hosting company, you get not only a 35% off deal on the hosting plan that you choose, but also this done for you template in your hands as soon as you purchase. And not only do you get the template, but you get live training from Pat on how to implement it and edit it for your business if you need help. So not only are you getting the website hosting, but you're getting this done for you template completely free, plus tutorials of how to go over it, plus the help of Pat directly in a live training. So definitely click the first link in the description and jump on this deal while it is still available. When you sign up for Automate WebP, you get access to the Automation Hub website template. All right, so now I'd love to present to you MarissaRomero.com, please meet it. All right, so here's the home page. Here's the headline section. I'm the founder of Subscriber to Sales, which is a company that helps establish business YouTubers impact and scale more without the burnout. Our number one call to action, which is book a YouTube strategy call. So this is super pretty. I love it. When I first got my website, which Pat helped me with directly, I was just wanting to swim in it. Okay, so we have here our blueprint that we want you to download, right? This is our freebie, so you can download it here, and this is throughout the WordPress site. Okay, so here it's just another little call out of what exactly we do at Subscribers to Sales. Here's a YouTube video, one of our latest, and a featured video, recent videos. This is all on the home page. So several calls to action to try to get people to take action, including at the very bottom, the masterclass, which you get instant access to as well. So it's very straightforward, very beautiful. I absolutely love this. Down here, we have some testimonials, contact me. And as you can see, just all of the information you need. Right here, I have the company info and all of the links to all of the calls to action. So that's really cool. Down here, the privacy policy, terms of use, earning disclaimers. This is all really good and really important. Then we have the about section, which is probably my favorite part of the website because it's so me. Like, it's about my story, about the history of the company. Right over here, Pat helped me build this really cool timeline. So back in 2016, when I wasn't even an entrepreneur yet, I was still an engineer, talking about when I left and took the leap of faith, when I started traveling as a digital nomad in Thailand, all the way to 2019, 2020, all the way to basically current. Okay, so I have to update and add something for 2024. Also, this is something that I highly recommend you have, which is a toolbox. Okay, a toolbox of all your affiliate links. This is really important as you scale your business. And here's the other really cool page that you must have, which is the results or the testimonials. So you can see here on our results page, we have our client testimonials and videos, and people can come here and see how legit we are before they even work with us. So this is something that is definitely going to boost your credibility, boost trust, etc., etc. So I absolutely love this results page. We have videos, which is still very much so in development, but this is like the vlog to video where more YouTube videos are going to be here, an article with SEO, and also a contact form. So if people want to contact directly, they can do that right here. So that is my website, and I'm super excited because on the back end, what I want to do is eventually switch all of my products, programs, digital products, memberships, you name it, online e-commerce stores to this. So this is definitely going to be optimized to hit multiple 7 figures and 8 figures as my business scales, and you can get your hands on this same template, learn how to use it. It's very user friendly, and you'll get the online tutorials and also help from Pat himself on how to build this out. So as I mentioned, all you got to do to get your hands on that done for you website template, that 25K looking website, is sign up for an Automate WebP hosting plans. There's plans as low as less than $10 per month if you sign up for the annual plan. When you sign up today using the link in my description, you'll get your hands on the template, also amazing website hosting, and hands-on tutorials and help from Pat, the man himself. And here's the best part. In today's video, my special guest, Pat, is going to come on here and do a live demo of an 8-figure website. Now, let me just hype him up a little bit and talk about why he's so great and how he really is the WordPress automation and income generating king. Pat's clients have more than 30 million followers combined. He's had several 7-figure clients and 2 8-figure clients. He knows what works and what doesn't, okay? He's been behind the scenes looking at websites with influencers with millions of followers over the past 15 plus years. So he's like your full stack, don't need anyone else to go to person. He's a website designer, graphic designer, marketer, funnel builder, email marketer, you name it, he is that. And put simply, he is an expert with helping influencers automate their marketing strategy with their website. period. And just for the Marissa Romero community, and for those of you who sign up today with Automate WebP, Pat is going to host a live training for you, so definitely jump on it before it's too late. So without further ado, let's go to the 8-figure website demo brought to you by Pat Ness. Take it away, Pat.
Hey, thank you so much, Marissa. I'm so excited to be here and showcase this to all of you guys. I've been a WordPress developer since 2003, since it came out, so 20 years. So I am very ninja. I'm going to show you guys how to build the Master Automation Hub today, which includes one WordPress site that has basically everything in it: a learning management system, courses, membership, CRM, form builder, e-commerce store, event calendar plugin, you name it. This one WordPress website can have it all. So just a little bit about myself. I am the founder of SMB Master. I've developed over 800 websites. My clients have done almost 30 million in sales and have almost 33 million followers on social media. Just for reference, you can take a look at my portfolio here. You can see a lot of my clients are pretty big influencers: 3.5 million, 1.9 million, 2.1 million, 2.1 million, and so on and so on. So feel free to click around my portfolio, check out some of the websites that I've built using what I'm going to showcase today, the Master Automation Hub. So what this is one WordPress website that has all these functionalities in it. And I'm going to show you a live demo and go through one of my business partners' websites right now. And that site is called True Training. So if you go to true.training, you'll be able to kind of see everything working. This is a live site. This is my client, Massey Arias. She owns it. She has about 2.7 million Instagram followers. She's awesome to work with. Super amazing girl. Check her out. And okay, let's get through this website. So as you can see here, I'm logged in as a member, and we have all our memberships here: programs, educational sections, a blog, shop. We got supplements here. And then over here, we got a whole bunch of goodies as well that I'm going to go through. So when you build WordPress sites, you have the power to extend it however you want. There are absolutely no limitations whatsoever. So this site here is a full-fledged membership website. When people log in, they get right to this page, the members homepage. Now, this site uses a page builder called Elementor, so we have the power to fully customize this whole website however we want. We could add like shop items, we could add courses on the front. As you can see here, it's showing, my progress through courses. I'm currently doing this program right here. I'm 24% complete. I'm going to go through these courses with you later and show you how all that works. But this is just to give you a good idea of how nice you could make this website, look and feel with the page builders that WordPress has. This here is our lead generation page. So if you go to truetraining.com/start, you can see here, we use a form plugin that basically collects data on users. So anyone that goes through this quiz, we're collecting tags. We're going to know exactly who that person is, if they want to train at home or the gym, if they want to lose body fat, build muscle. So this is all very important data we collect right out the gate when people submit their email here. So as you can see, they'll put their name, they'll put their email, and then they'll go on to the next page. Over here as well, as soon as people join, they all get to create a profile. So just like Facebook, you'll have your own profile where you could engage with members. As you can see here, people are posting updates and live challenges and programs. And you could fill out some questions and answer however you like there. The groups here, think about like a Facebook private group. These are all built into the website. So for example, if we take a look at this group here, the Booty Program Warriors, you will see that we have 1,951 active members, and you see 5 hours ago, a day ago, people are posting different things, asking questions here in the community. Is very helpful. So this is basically like having custom private Facebook groups, but it's all in your own website. So as you can see here, every program has a group. So if you have questions and you need help, you're more than welcome to join the group and ask some questions in there versus going into the Facebook group. Right here is the news feed. So think about this as the Facebook homepage, right? This is like a big mix of everyone posting things we post, admin stuff, any new blogs, videos, shop items that get added to the site all show up in this feed. And this is good for anybody to kind of join. People, as you can see, they can like stuff, they could join discussions, you can comment on posts, right? It's a great community. Over here, we have the help desk built into the website. So any FAQs people might have, if they do have a question, we do have an AI chatbot here where, again, they could search for answers, or they could start chatting with one of our reps or leave a message there if they're offline. This here is an example of the one of the courses. So as you can see here, it's showing our completion through the course. It's showing all the modules and lessons and things like that. So if you click on a lesson, it's going to take you to the lesson page, which looks very, very clean. This looks way nicer than any of the softwares out there. And you do have the ability to close some menus. You can go dark mode if you want. You can go full screen, so like distraction free zone, or you can keep everything open if you just want to have access to everything one click away. So as you can see here, over here, we have the ability to design our workout page or our lessons as, as cool as we want. It uses Elementor Page Builder, so there's no limit as to what we can add here or design. This is the blog. As you know, WordPress comes with a very powerful blog. So every blog post that gets added, you can build a custom template on how it looks. So it'll show the author date. People can share it. People at the end here will also be able to share the post. They could join our email list. See, this site, we currently have over 100. Well, I think it's more at 145,000 or so now, but you get the point. Over here, we got the shop. So it has a full e-commerce shop. So if you want to add a monthly membership and a download and a physical product and some merch all to a cart, you could do that with WordPress, and it'll fulfill all the automations and does what it needs to do as soon as the payment's made. So as you can see here in my cart, I got 2 programs. I got an annual membership. So if I check out right now, it's going to start charging me $139.99 per year, and then one time here and here. And as soon as I come here, see there's some upsells. So I might add a yoga bundle, right? So now this is a great example. Since this is a physical product, you'll see here now that there's shipping included. So you can connect this with whatever shipping company you're working with. There's always APIs that connect to WooCommerce where it'll calculate the exact shipping once somebody adds their address here. Now, as soon as somebody comes here and checks out, you are going to be able to fulfill all of these orders automatically. So they'll get their login email for their membership. They'll get access to these programs, and then this will be sent off through ShipStation to the fulfillment company. So it's very easy to set up. Again, WordPress, it's really quick. Sometimes you need a little bit of a development help at the beginning. But once it's built, everything's automated, and you're good to go. Now, here's a little sneak peek of the CRM in the back end. This will allow you to do absolutely anything you want within WordPress. So you can trigger emails to go if someone enrolls in a course or if they buy something specific from the e-commerce store. It's absolutely unlimited what you can do with the automations with the built-in CRM. And this here is also a little notification option you can do for your courses. So you could email people based on, what actions they're taking on your course. So if they enroll in a quiz, if they do this, if they do that, if they finish a week, if they, whatever it is, you can email them based on their actions. So again, guys, this is an example of the Master Automation Hub, which is available at Automate WP. We install this for you guys and guide you through videos that teach you how to build it all yourself so you don't have to pay a developer. But if you do want someone to just do it all for you, there are options for that as well we can help you with. So I hope this gives you a great idea of the power of WordPress and what you are able to build. Again, a lot of people are using high-level ClickFunnels, all these different softwares, and it's still a learning curve. So if I say you're starting a business now or you're thinking of changing, do it now, build it properly, get it right, and then that's it. You could just focus on the fun stuff, social media and sending traffic and all that good stuff. So thanks again, Marissa, for having me here, and I hope I opened some eyes out there, and hope to see you guys on a live call or in the Automate WP backend. Thanks so much.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Pat. All right, if you love this video, thank you so much to getting to this point. And if you are still here, definitely check out the video coming up next, all about how I ditched the make money online niche and what's been going on since then. That video is coming up right here. Just click right here and I'll see you on that video. Dear Diary, I ditched the make money online niche, and here's how it's been for the past 3 months.